class we have learned sequences, their types, and arithmetic progressions and general forms of AP. Today's class we will solve some problems related to general form of AP. First question is, check whether the following sequences are in AP. So question number 1, 4, 10, 16, 22, etc. Solution. Here A1 is first term 4, A2 equal to second term 10, 16 third term, and 22 is the fourth term. So the given sequences are in AP means here difference is same. Therefore difference is given by A2 minus A1. It is second term minus first term. Second term A2 is 10. First term A1 is 4. So 10 minus 4 equal to 6. Again D equal to A3 minus A2. Third term minus second term. 16 minus 10 is 6. Again difference equal to fourth term 22 minus third term 16. That is also 6. So D equal to 6. Therefore given sequences are in AP. Difference is constant means given sequences are in AP. Second question B, 1, minus 1, minus 3, minus 5. Here first term A1 is 1, A2 is minus 1, A3 is minus 3, A4 equal to minus 5. So solution. Difference equal to second term minus first term. A2 minus A1. That is minus 1 A2. Then minus 1 minus 2. Again difference equal to A3 minus D equal to A2 minus A1. Minus 1, minus 1. Minus 2. Again difference D equal to A3 minus A2. A3 is minus 3 minus A2 is minus 1. Minus 3 minus into minus plus 1. Again minus plus minus. Minus 3 minus plus 1 is minus 2. Therefore D is constant. It is minus 2. Therefore given sequences are in AP. Second main question. Write first 4 terms of AP. If A and D are given. So first question A equal to 10, D equal to 10. So first term is A1 is 10. Second term A2 equal to A1 plus D. That is A1 is 10 plus difference is 10. Total 10 plus 10, 20. Again third term A3 equal to A2 plus D. A2 is second term plus difference is 10. a2 20 plus difference 10 equal to 30. a4 a3 plus b, a3 is 30 plus difference 10, it is 40. Therefore first four terms are 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. Second question B. A equal to -2, B equal to 0. Here A1 is -2, A2 equal to A1 plus B. That is A1 is -2, difference is 0, that is equal to -2. Again A3 equal to A2 plus B. A2 is -2 plus 0, that is -2. A4 equal to A3 plus B. A3 is -2 plus 0, that is -2. So therefore first four terms are -2, -2, -2, -2. Third question C. A equal to -1, B equal to half. Here A1 is -1, A2 equal to A1 plus B. A1 is -1 plus difference is half. Then here 2 1 is 2. -2 plus 1 divided by 2. It is -1 by 2. Again A3 equal to A2 plus B. A2 is minus half plus difference is minus plus half. That is 0. A4 equal to A3 plus D. A3 is 0 plus difference is half. It is equal to half. Therefore, first four terms are -1, minus half, 0, half. Next, third main question. For the following AP, write first four terms. The first four terms of for the following AP, write first term and difference. Difference D. First question A 3, 1, -1, -3. Second question -5, -1, 3, 7. So first question A, solution. Here A1 is 3, A2 is 1, A3 is -1, A4 is -3. Therefore A equal to first term. A is first term, that is 3. difference equal to a2 minus a1 or a3 minus a2 or a4 minus a3. So difference a2 is 1 minus a1 is 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Again b equal to a3 minus a2. a3 is minus 1. a2 is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Therefore, first term a is 3 and difference is minus 2. Question number B, minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7. Here also a1 equal to minus 5, that is first term. a2 is second term, it's minus 1. a3 is 3, a4 7. So first term a is minus 5. Difference d equal to a2 minus a1. Minus 1 minus of minus 5, that is minus 1. Minus into minus plus 5 also equal to minus 1 plus 5 is plus 4. Again b equal to a3 minus a2. a3 is 3 minus a2 is minus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Therefore, first term a 1 is minus 5 and difference is 4. First question. Check whether 13, 19, 25, 31, etc. fall in AP. Second question. If a equal to 3, common difference 4, find the AP. Third question. 0, minus 3, minus 6, minus 9. Write A and the value of D. I will solve this problem to tomorrow's class.